Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on checking your storage on Mac OS. This will allow you to see how much free storage you have left and also show you which apps and files are taking up space on your Mac. This will work on both iMacs and MacBooks. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by clicking the Apple logo button at the top left of the screen. Select About this Mac. Click on the Storage tab from the pop-up. Click Manage. It will take a minute to load, but then it will show you exactly how much space is being taken up by apps and files. Click on Applications. This shows you a list of every app you have, ordered by the largest file size. You can easily remove any apps from this list to free up space. Just highlight it and then click Delete. You can do the same with your documents. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.